Hi, I'm Laurent at Imprint Plus Tech Support, and today I'll show you how to create a name badge from scratch. When you first start up the program, you will get two options here: design a new name badge or start making name badges. Some people will not have design a new name badge. That means the program was locked down. Um, that's usually for um, corporate programs. If you already have templates pre-designed, you can go straight into start making name badges, but for this exercise, let's design a new name badge, and I will use the wizard to do that. We can click next in the first one. The second page, we can choose which badge we want to create. So most people will have MD as a size, but we can always change that size, and the product code will be visible on your plastic sheet on the actual insert sheet, and you need to match this up so it will print correctly later. So as most people will have MD, that's the one we're going to use for this exercise, and if there's only one option here, that means that's the one you need to use. Okay, next we can choose whether we want a logo on our badge. I want a logo on my badge, so I will say yes, and then I'll get the image file. Next, and I want that image file left center. Next, and then I'll choose how many lines I want on my name badge, and I want a name and a title, so I will choose 2, and then I will make the first line a little bit bigger and bold it. Okay, and my first line will be the name. Next, my second line will be regular and 11, and that will be the title. Next, and this will be my Imprint 2-line badge. Next, and finish. And this is how far the wizard brings us. If you would like to move objects around, you can click on them and then drag them around, or you could also use the arrows on your keyboard to move it around. I would like to add some things to my badge, like an image placeholder, which is this question mark here in the objects bar. An image placeholder points to a folder that contains images, so for each individual badge I'll be able to choose different images, and I will go to sample pictures for the folder for these images. Okay, and I would also like a drop down box next to my image placeholder, and to open the properties you just double click items, and then I'll add IT to my drop down, sales, and marketing, add, and this will be departments. Okay, and I would like to align my image placeholder to name. So first off, I need to align the guideline to name, so I'll select name and then go to tools, align guideline to object, left. And now I would like the image placeholder to be on the same height, so I'll right click it, align object to guideline, left. And I would also like department to be at the same height of the image placeholder, so I will align that guideline and then select department, align to guideline, middle. Alright, and now everything's ready to go to start making name badges. I'll save this first, and I will also set this template as my default, as I want to use this one most of the time. So when I set it to default, every time I open the program and click start making name badges, this will be the template that's chosen. And now I will go to data entry to start making badges, and I can do that by going to window data entry or by clicking this colorful button here. Alright, and now I can start making my name badges. John Doe. And this is how the image placeholder works. Now these are all the images that are in the sample pictures folder that I chose. You can also go to a different folder and choose an image. I'll choose desert, department, IT. Next one, manager, jellyfish, health, sales. Alright, and here's my first two badges that I want to print. Oh, supervisor. Let's check out how this looks first in print preview. The first option in print is to select which sheet you're using. The classic ones are the perforated ones, and the peel-offs work like stickers. Most people have peel-offs by now because that's our newer sheet. Okay. Next off, you will choose what size you have. For North America, that'll be letter. For Europe, A4. And if you have the Yoohoo package, that'll be envelope. You see this changes into a single column. I will choose letter for this exercise, and the next thing you choose is where to start printing on your sheet. For example, if I've used the first 4 badges already on the sheet, I will start printing at 5. That's okay. And here's what it will look like on my sheet. The first 4 will obviously be blank because I didn't want it to print there. It shows up upside down, but that's just the way it aligns with the insert sheet. So if you follow the arrow on the insert sheet, it will print in the right boxes. And that's how you make name badges. If there's any problems, you can always contact our tech support at 1-866-540-5417, and it will be option 5. Okay, have a nice day.